sa kalisod kahon. Then I will thank Pastor Ken Crisalva for kanang itugutan ko na diri ihal ang venue. Then then thank you Twig for supporting sa there is a birthday. Then I would like to thank Nanay Dulce Bagyan and Sis Jenjen and si Christine, si Carmi, and Denima, si Carla, si Hannah, si Jao. Thank you. Classmates, si Jasmine and Lourdes. So, by the way, sa tanong na akong classmates, akong invite sila ba ang attend sa event. Then, just now, thank you. Thank you for coming. Then lastly, I would thank the young people and of course our visitors here in this event. Thank you very much.